live accounts, equity, trading platform, positions. Hello traders. Now maybe I should have titled this video how I made 33 grand on one trade, because as you can see, that's one of the current profits I've got running on the US dollar Turkish euro, a position which I opened a few weeks ago, which brings me to my point that I'm going to be talking about in this video. So there's a lot of people are going to look at this and think, oh, this is amazing. I mean, you went from 25k to 116k in 3 months. But they don't realize the kind of hard work and preparation and stages that you have to go through in order to get to a point where you can be making consistent profitable returns like this one. And one of the things that people don't really know, or things that you probably should know if you're trying to be a trader or trying to find your way, is first of all, you need to be able to establish what kind of trader you want to be. And by that I mean either you want to be a day trader or a swing trader, because those two questions are really, really important. They are going to decide, you know, how you approach the markets or what strategy you choose to use, which today I'm going to give you everything. So when we talk about being a day trader and a swing trader, I mean, obviously this account that I'm trading, this is one of the accounts that I manage for one of my clients, and I use swing trading to kind of trade this account, especially contraction expansion strategy, which is one of my strategies, my favorite strategies to trade. Now, if you are familiar with TradingView, or you do follow me in TradingView, I'm going to show you a couple trades, one to do with swing trading and one to do with day trading. And you guys, and I'm telling you guys about the strategies that you can use to trade those ones, because no one strategy can work excellent on both. That can work excellent for a day trader and for a swing trader. I mean, if you have a particular strategy, you are going to get better results on one of you know, if you're either a day trader or a swing trader, and the results are not going to be the same. So that's the point I'm trying to make. Anyway, so let's head over to my trading view here. So I'm going to pick on this one particular trade. So TradingView obviously is a website that you make predictions, you post your charts, and obviously people can refer back to it a few months after and see if your prediction was what's right or not, basically. And this is a prediction I made using the contraction and expansion strategy to predict the movement of Bitcoin. And so I predicted this movement. This is back then when Bitcoin was around 8,000, and I made a prediction that it's going to go back down to around 5,000, 4,000, and then from then on it's going to go sky high. And clicking the display button, and you're going to see exactly what happened. I mean, it's still going up. It's gone way higher than what it is currently. Bitcoin is on over 50,000 right now. But anyway, so the point I'm trying to make is that if you're going to be a swing trader, you have to be aware of the fact that you're going to have to hold your position for a really long time. Now, there's a lot of difference between a swing trader and a day trader. Being a swing trader means, you know, you're going to have to kind of, you're going to need capital for both of them. For day trader or swing trader, you are going to need capital. But if you're a swing trader, you're going to need capital that you can afford to kind of not think about for a few months, to, you know, because that's how long you're going to be holding on to a position. And you need that capital in your account to kind of keep your positions open, basically. For a day trader, you don't need to worry about that, because you're in and out of a trade within a day or two. That's what day trading is about. Now, let me show you a couple of trades. That means I can perfectly explain what day trading is about. So I've been posting a lot on TradingView recently, and it's the day trading strategy that I used. I've been posting a lot, and you guys can head over to my TradingView page and see the results. So again, this is the day trading strategy that I posted on the GBP USD a couple days ago. So if this is gonna load, maybe not. Let's try again. There you go. So a day trading strategy, in and out of a trade within a few hours. Now there's actually a current trade that I've also posted on TradingView. This is another day trading strategy. In the next few hours, I expect this to go all the way back, all the way to the top. And so that brings us back to my main point of this video, is that what do you want to be? If you want to be a day trader or you want to be a swing trader, guys, that question is very important. You have to be able to answer that question if you want to change something that's not working in your trading journey so far. So if you're going to be a day trader, I've got the perfect course for that, which is the GBP USD day trading course. And I'm probably gonna regret making this so cheap, because I've actually looked at a few websites or a few traders that are selling their trading courses, and the prices are astronomical, and all you're gonna get is just the video that you're gonna watch. But my trading, the way I teach people, I believe in having a personal relationship and having that face to face, and being able to have, to talk about, have conversations, endless conversations about trading. You can get to ask whatever question you want to. That's what all my trading courses are, all one-on-one sessions via Zoom. So we have a proper, it's not a situation where you just get given a video, you pay huge, no, you have no one to guide you basically. And you need that guidance as a trader. You need that guidance. So if you're looking to be a day trader, like I said, we talk about the GBP USD trading course, or if you want to be a swing trader, then I've got the right course for you, the contraction and expansion strategy. Now you can find all the details regarding these courses on my website, which is in the description down below. And yeah, so just let me know what you want to do. So as head over to, I'm not going to talk about too much of this account, because it is what it is. I mean, it's like I said, some people might say that's amazing, some people might think, wow, that's crazy, making 30 grand on a trade. But you have to be able to understand that trading is a really, really long journey, and a lot of people are going to make a lot of mistakes along the way. So my whole point of this is to try and kind of help you make better decisions and choose something, to be able to make better decisions moving forward, and be able to choose a strategy, or find a strategy that you can be able to use, that you can be able to trade, and you can be certain that that strategy is going to give you consistent profitable returns. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you on the next video. Bye.